can you be under the age of 65 and still receive Medicaid long-term care benefits? That's what we'll be discussing today. And the answer is yes, although it's a little bit more challenging. What happens is when you're over the age of 65, Medicaid assumes you are disabled enough to meet their requirements, meaning they're not going to require you to prove disability. There's still some medical documentation involved, meaning if you're looking for help for Medicaid to help pay for home health care or ALF care or nursing home care, a doctor records are still going to be needed to show that you actually need these sorts of things, but proving that you're officially disabled is not one of them if you're over the age of 65 or over. Now, if you're under the age of 65, and I have plenty of clients who are, and they are disabled, whether it's from early onset Alzheimer's or Parkinson's, or they got into a car accident, or they were injured on the job, whatever the case might be, they might be under the age of 65. However, in order to get Medicaid long-term care benefits, again, to help pay for home health care, ALF care, or nursing home care, we have the affirmative obligation to prove that you are disabled or that my client is disabled, right? So you might have that already, right? If you've already filed with Social Security and you're getting Social Security disability, then you have a letter from the Social Security Administration that already proves you're disabled. That's the end of the hurdle, right? You've already shown that a government agency has deemed you disabled. If you don't have that, which is the case with some of my clients, you have to get that disability determination. So that's either applying for Social Security disability, or if we're applying for Medicaid, the state of Florida has their own disability determination process, and that can sometimes delay things, right? Because we can get you all ready for Medicaid, we can get, have an application all ready to go to get you the assistance you need, paying for home health care or facility care, whatever the case might be, but Medicaid's not going to give us that approval until the corresponding department with the state of Florida looked at your medical records and determined that you do in fact meet the state's and the federal government's definition for being quote unquote disabled. And if that part's missing, it can delay things. However, if you haven't been deemed disabled, and you're thinking about Medicaid planning, no time like the present to start, right? Time's not on your side. We want to get we can help you with all of these different pieces of the puzzle. Delaying is never going to be your friend. So if you have any other questions about the Florida Medicaid planning process or long-term care planning process, whether you're over the age of 65 or under the age of 65, if you need the long-term care, we're here to help you if you're anywhere in the state of Florida. Give us a call, schedule a consultation. If you found this video helpful, I hope you'll give it a thumbs up. Please share it, subscribe to the channel. It's all part of my effort to make you and all Floridians a more educated legal consumer. Thank you for watching.